Good morning, students. So our journey leads us to the last exercise of decimal. And I hope you have done all the exercises of 3A, 3B, 3C, right? And if you have any doubt, as I told you earlier also, you can ask me the question. Now, the next topic is division. Division of decimal. As I have written on the board also, decimal division. Simple rule, as it is in multiplication, the same rule follows over here also. What is the multiplication rule? When you are multiplying a decimal number with 10, decimal shifted towards right one place. When you are multiplying by 100, decimal shifted towards right twice. When you are multiplying decimal number by 1000, the decimal shifted towards right after 3 digits. Right? What about division? The division is just opposite. When you are dividing by 10, the decimal shifted towards left. How many times? 1 digit. When you are dividing the decimal by 100, it will be shifted towards left only by how much? 100. And when you have to divide it by 1000, how many times it will be shifted? 3 times towards left. So make it remember, when you are multiplying by any 10, 20, 10, 100, 1000, so decimal shifted towards right. And when you are dividing, the decimal shifted towards left. As many as zeros are there, that many digits, the decimal will be shifted. Why it is shifted? This is the rule. You can prove it also. And if it is something, the number is like, what is the rule you can say? Let's see, we are following this. I'm multiplying my number by, I'm dividing my number by 10. So 10, say my number is 56.3. Okay. So what is this? This is the whole part of the decimal number and this is the decimal part. So we will divide first the decimal part as usual, whatever we are having. So 10 5 is a 50. Right? After subtraction, how much? 6. Now this decimal comes. So after decimal, 3 is the decimal part. So when we are taking the decimal part downwards, what I will do is, I put the decimal in the quotient also. Okay. So it is 10, 6 are 60. 3. And because here it is already we have taken decimal, so 0 will automatically come. 10 3s are 30. I told you decimal shifted towards right. So answer will be 5.63. Similarly, another example you can take. 245.73 divided by 100. I am not dividing it in a whole detailed way. Divided by 100, decimal shifted how many times? Over here. So my answer will be 2.4573. Right? So my answer will be right. One more example I can take. 64512.071 divided by 1000. How much? 3 numbers. So decimal will be shifted to right over here. So 64.512.071. One more example I will take. 2.56 divided by 100. 2 numbers. I have to shift this over here, but here it is only 1 digit. So what I will do? I will add 1 0. So my decimal is here, so it will be shifted over here, so like this. So 0.0256 we can add. This is the answer. Okay, so this is how you will be dividing the decimal number by the 10, 100, 1000 and all. So when you have the question in the examination, divide by this, you don't have to do in the detailed manner. You can just write simply the answer. As I can discuss some question from the exercise also. The very first question is divide this by 10. Exercise 3D, question number 1. 131.6 by 10. So 131.6 divided by 10. Decimal shifted over here. 13.16. So direct answer. So this can be done to you, right? Now, what about the division? This is done in by you in class 6 also, but still I am going to do it. That question, come to question number 3. Question number 3 is, before question number 3 I can take one example of question number 2 also. Question number 2, fourth part. It is 0.3 by 100. 0.3 divided by 100. Okay, so what is the answer? Decimal shifted towards 2 places because it is 100. So there are no zeros, so I will make. So decimal come over here. So 0.003. And so on, you have to do the questions. Right. Now, question number 3. Same thing. Now question number 4. Come to question number 4. It is 12 by 8. Divide 12 by 8. How we will divide? 12 inside, 8 outside, 8 ones are 8 minus 4. Now 4 is the remainder, but we don't have to give the answer in the remainder. We have to find the answer in the decimal. So what we used to do is, we put the decimal over here. This decimal means we can add zeros in the remainder. As many as zeros we required, we can add so much. So it is 8 5s are 40. So we are lucky enough to get the answer over here only. Otherwise, we have to do this till twice, thrice and many remainders to do like this. So my answer is how much? 1.5. Okay. One more examples I can take. It is 60.48 by 12. 60.48 by 12. 12 outside. 60.48. First number is smaller than my divisor. So I will take the first two numbers. So it is 12 5s are 60. This and here, because the whole part is finished, then we can take the decimal part. Now first I will put 4. Now 4 is this smaller than my divisor. So what I have to take? I have to take this 8 also. So I will put 0. 12 4s are 48. Okay. The division is almost same as the whole number, only you have to put the decimal. Same thing. Everything is same. Right? Achha. This also can be done. One more example I have to take from here is question number 10th of this. 0.3322 by 11. 11 divided by 0.332. Here no decimal whole part is there. We have to start with this only to 0 point. We will start my question from 0 point only. The first number is smaller, right? So here we have to take 33, and then 2 comes out. Again I have to take 2. Right? So this is how you have to. These are the questions you can attempt by your own. One more example shall I take? Yes, one more example. 2.13 by 15. 15. Now 2.13. Ab here whole part is there, but it is smaller than my divisor. So I will take point only, and I will take this 2 1. So this will become 21. So 15 ones are 15. 11 minus 5, 63. 15 fours are 60. 3. 0 automatically comes. 15 twos are 30. Right? So this is how you will do these type of questions. Right, students? Apart from this, you can say question number 6 is same. You have to do like this. And now question number 7th, when you have to come in question number 7th, how you will do this question number 7. So it is a matter of fact, question number 7 part 1. 3.28 by 0.8. What is over here is 3.28 divided by 0.8. The twist is here, our divisor is also in the decimal form and dividend is also in the decimal form. So whenever you will divide these type of questions, you have to convert divisor into the whole number. So this is the rule only. You have to convert this divisor into the whole number. How you will convert whole number? Because here after decimal 1 digit is there. So if if this finishes up, so it can be converted into whole number. So 0.8 into 10. I multiply by 10, then this decimal will be finished over here. So what will be there? This becomes 32.8. Decimal shifted to one place, right hand side when you are multiplying by 10. So it is 32.8 divided by 8. Now you can easily divide 8 over here, 32.8. 8 fours are 32. Decimal part I am taking. 8 ones are 8. Like this. Now take one more example. Which question I should take? Take the second one only. 0.288 by 0.9. 0.288 divided by 0.9. After decimal, one number. So we multiply both by 10. So this will become 2.88 divided by 9. So 9 here and 2.88. Whole part is less than my divisor. So I will take decimal only. So this will become 28. 9 threes are 27. Remainder 1. 8, 9 2s are 18, and so on. Finishes. Right. So this is all about the division of the decimal. Apart from this, we are having some what you can say, the word problems. The total cost of 24 chair is itna, find the cost of each chair. So cost of 24 chairs, this much. So cost of one chair, 9255 divided by 24. For what if the cost of 5-liter milk is 640, what is the cost of 2-liter? So first you have to find the cost of 1 liter, and then you will find this. So same thing again, this is in the word problem. Again I will let you know ki for whenever you are attempting the word problems, writing the statement is mandatory. So you have to write down the statements, right? So 3D can be completed by you right now. Okay. So by this video we are completing our decimal, and because there is a long weekend also coming to you, Saturdays and Sunday, so you have to complete exercise 3E, that is objective type questions, and of course this test paper also. There is no test paper, I suppose, right? So this is you have to complete, right students? So goodbye, take care, bye.